A dramatic video has surfaced online from Tamil Nadu. The visual shows a woman and a child trapped in a heavily flowing waterfall. The video captured the entire incident of the precarious condition of the two and how they were saved by villagers who risked their lives. A few courageous villagers risked their lives to save the woman and the child who were caught in a flash flood at Tamil Nadu's Anaivari waterfalls. In the video, the woman can be seen with the child sitting on a rock as the water gushed by. The video showed 4 villagers coming to the rescue and pulling them up using a rope. Once the woman and the child were rescued, 2 villagers tried to get back to safety using the rope. However, they slipped and fell into the rough water. But fortunately, they managed to swim to a nearby bank. As the villagers were trying to rescue, the 2 onlookers present at the spot kept cheering to motivate them. After the woman and the child were rescued, loud applause was showered on the rescuers. The Anaivari Waterfalls is a popular tourist spot, and on Sunday people gathered in the area without expecting a sudden flash flood. As the video went viral, authorities have temporarily banned the public from visiting the waterfalls.
Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.